Using purchase orders in QuickBooks Online is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, go to Settings. Then select Account and Settings. Choose the Expenses tab. In the Purchase Orders section, click on the Edit icon. Then, enable the Use Purchase Orders option. You can set up to 3 custom fields and a default message for vendors. These can provide additional details specific to your business needs. Click Save and then Done. After that, click the plus New button. Here, select Purchase Order. Choose the vendor from the Vendor drop-down menu. Verify the vendor's mailing address. If shipping directly to a customer, select the Ship to drop-down and choose Ship Via. Confirm the shipping address. Enter the purchase order date. In the Item Details section, enter the products you want to order. Enter the item description and specify the quantity. Then, set the rate or price per unit. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total amount. You can review and edit additional details like terms, delivery info, or a message to the vendor.